Hello friends, my name is Catherine and today I'm going to be trying water marbling. I have got this plain white coffee cup, this tub full of cool water, and some nail polishes in colors that I like. These were all purchased at the dollar store. The coffee cup, the tub, the nail polishes, everything. Because I didn't have anything that I wanted to potentially ruin. So we're just gonna start in. The idea behind water marbling is that nail polish will float on top of water. Go. So if you kind of just dump it on, it floats around a bit and disperses, and you can put more on of different colors and kind of encourage it to spread and hopefully end up with something cool looking, though we shall see. Encourage it to go. And the idea, I think, is that you're going to want to work quickly, because cool water, counterintuitively, makes nail polish dry faster. So it'll be drying as we're working on it like this. But going to want to kind of continue layering it on in with the center, building it outward, and then maybe give it some more of this in the middle there, but then also maybe like some little speckles, some little dotties. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, that doesn't seem to be spreading out anymore. So, next thing that we're going to want to do is take a skewer and just kind of trace through it and give ourselves some cool, spread out looking, zigzaggy kind of patterns. Alright, that is pretty good, I think, and about as much as we're going to get. So I'm going to take my coffee cup and kind of position it over the paint, polish, whatever, and kind of just lay it down in so that it gathers onto it, and then pull the rest of this away so that it's not going to cling to it and create a film over the top of our pattern when we pull the coffee cup out. See, that's got a good layer of nail polish on it. And then I'm just going to dump the water out of the inside of the cup and take a look. Ooh, I like that. That turned out pretty. Seems to be a bubble of water, maybe? Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to take and set this down upside down, or maybe not, maybe upside down. Anyway, now I have a cool, pretty patterned coffee cup. There might have been too much paint in there. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to set it down, let it dry for like 24 hours, and then I'll come back to it and see how it ends up. Anyway, quick one today actually. I expected that to take longer, but that's what I did today, guys. I would love to hear what you're doing today. If you have any suggestions of anything else I should do, definitely let me know. I am always open to suggestions. And remember to like if you liked it. And Oh, remember to subscribe. And I will see you guys all later.